Hi everyone, my name is Ned Bellavance and welcome to my course, Configuring Encryption for Data at Rest in Microsoft Azure. I am a Microsoft Azure MVP and founder of Ned in the Cloud LLC. Data protection and security is a fundamental tenet of deploying resources in Microsoft Azure. As an administrator, you need to understand the shared responsibility model for Microsoft Azure and how to protect your data in motion and at rest. In this course, you will learn about the various security options that exist within Microsoft Azure and how to apply different levels of encryption to the data at rest in your Azure resources. We will be focusing on several topics within the course, including Azure Storage Service Encryption, Azure Disk Encryption for Azure VMs, using encryption with Recovery Vault, Azure Database Encryption with Transparent Data Encryption and Always Encrypted. By the end of this course, you will be ready to implement data encryption at rest for multiple services in your Azure environment. Before beginning this course, you should have a solid understanding of the services in Microsoft Azure, experience using PowerShell, and an appetite for making your deployments more secure. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn more about the multitude of options for data encryption on Azure with the course Configuring Encryption for Data at Rest in Microsoft Azure at Pluralsight.